Charlie Cushane here to do another quick little mod on my sink in my house in Florida. What I've noticed is we got all brand new granite countertops a couple of years ago, and we had them professionally sealed, so they're pretty well protected from just about anything. However, what I have noticed is that every time we use the faucet and you turn it on, you wash your hands, then you go to turn it off, what happens? You get a puddle of water under the handle just from turning it off. So what I hope to do is to change that so the water doesn't just puddle on there. I'm afraid long term, over the years, that water will affect the granite. So today I'm hoping to fix that. Stay with me. My plan today is to use this, which I found on Amazon. There's a link in the description below the video, and it's really a drip tray that's designed to go on the side of a counter, and it's tapered so water would flow back into the counter. You could put like glasses here or something to drip dry. What I'm going to do is cut this to go around the faucet, and that will give a place for the water to go and just drip in. So it'd be sort of like this, where it would just drip in. Now I don't like it off to one side, so I'm going to actually center it on the faucet. So the next thing we have to do is sort of cut the complex shape of this faucet into here. So let's do that. Okay, the hardest part of this project is going to be getting this. It's actually a very complex shape. It's curved, and then it's curved in the front. So my goal is to try something different. I'm going to tape a corner of my piece of paper down. Alright? Just one corner. And then that will allow me to maybe get it to get to here. I'm on the back and I'm tracing as I push down with my fingernail. Now let's transfer tape to the other side. And loosen this tape because we don't need it anymore. Now let's do it to this side. So, that's my shape. Let's try cutting it out and try it. Alright, let's cut this out and see how well I did. So far so good. Now surprisingly, this has a curve as well. So let me back this off. If I could trace it with just a pencil. Let's try that. See how it works out. There we go. So if you combine that, cool. So that's my template. Let's go see if we can put it on the rubber piece and cut that out. This will be the center, right down the center of the sink. Okay, so how do you find the center of this? Start with the outsides. Keep walking your way in. Here's the center. Okay. I marked and cut the edge of my piece of paper, and I know where my center mark is on this. Now, pencil doesn't write on silicone very well, so my goal is to use a Sharpie. Well, here goes nothing. Just so you know, I have a piece of masonite down so that I don't cut my beautiful granite countertop. You can see the line. So here we go. Might as well start in one spot. It's actually a little harder than you may think, because see all these ribs on the bottom? But it's coming. There we go. Okay, here goes nothing to see if my hole fits. Now, like I say, my goal is not to cut the front here because it has so much stretchability. So I'm going to try to put it over the sink faucet, over the handle. There we go. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. I love it. Let me get you a closer look. And here's a closer look. That came out perfect. Okay, now for the real test. As you see, the water does go in there, but it doesn't go on the counter. And I'm sure if you put enough in there, it runs out. So it's working exactly like it's supposed to. I love it. The countertop will stay dry, and our countertop's protected now. Perfect.